Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your WhatsApp business account on your mobile phone. And we're also going to cover how to do basic optimization that will help you during your sales and marketing when you want to leverage the WhatsApp business. And you know, WhatsApp business is very important for small business owners. So you don't want to miss this. So make sure you watch this video to the end and like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more success business tutorials. Let's get started. All right, so we're going to analyze this one. This is the official WhatsApp line for Grite. Grite does have another one, but this is the official one that you're going to find easily online. Okay, so this is a blue tick WhatsApp, a verified WhatsApp account with Meta on WhatsApp. Okay, so we're going to analyze the brand. This is the brand name Grite, and since they're using a WhatsApp blue tick services, Grite has a customized link, more like a website, wa.me/grite or grite, for some of you call it that way. So these are the catalog. You click on products, you're going to see different catalogs. So we're going to add in the description section how you could make or how you could publish a product or a service listing on the WhatsApp catalog feature. So kindly visit the description section. You're going to get a lot of updates there. So these are virtually most of the services Grite offers. You're going to find it here, and also major announcements. You're also going to find them in the catalog. So you have to intentionally use your catalog for what you want to use it for. So this one, so you can see, this is about Google Ad Services. And once you click on, you could also visit their website or visit our website to book. So we're basically showing you what you can also do for your business. So they could also come here and book. All right, so this is digital advertising solution. They choose which of them they want to go for. Click on the order now. So you see, so you could use this as part of your funnel when trying to close deal. So we're going to go back to WhatsApp. All right, so let's go back. Then you check out order ones. So you can simply come here and read more about. You could visit Grite's catalog and check out all of this so that you have an idea of how you could set up your own catalog on WhatsApp, because it's part of the optimization on WhatsApp, because you want to take advantage of this and learn how to do things strategically. You could also even add announcements on how they could make payments and so much more, or guidelines on how they could make payment. But let's go back. Next is the description. So you have to intentionally do a bio for your business. Okay, so this is our bio. This is what the company is all about: media and news company, advertising, agent and marketing, business consultant. Then when you open, your operating hours, your location. Okay, you could also attach an email address, your website, another website. You could add more than one website. Then you could also link your Facebook page and your Instagram professional or business account on WhatsApp and actually list it. Apart from linking, you can actually display it just as this one is being displayed. So let's click on the Facebook. I'm going to show you that. Okay, so you can see this is our Facebook page. All right, so let's go back. So you're going to notice people can also visit the Instagram. So this is our Instagram page as well. So let's go back again. So you could also check out every other thing is working. You go to our website. All right. So these are basically the things you want to look out for. Now I'm going to show you how to set all this in your own WhatsApp business account. Make sure you download WhatsApp business on your App Store or Play Store. Then once you come here, you click on tools at the bottom right. Next, you click on profile. Okay, so either you scroll down and find profile, or you click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on settings. Okay, then you can click on your name. Okay, simple. Then you'll be able to make changes. So I'm going to it's still the same thing if you clicked on the profile from here. Okay, so next you click on this icon here to change your profile picture. Then you click on gallery, or you could take an instant picture or select avatar, then you upload. You could also add a cover image by clicking there. So you select the picture on gallery or camera. Then you could also change your name. So you click on name. Okay. Then you set the business name. Then you save. Once you're done, you click on save at the bottom. Then you go back. So I'm just showing you all you need to do. Then you could update your business category. So you click on this area. Then you update your business category. You can also search. Use the search tool at the top right. So let's say, for example, if it's a real estate company, you search real estate. Then you type real estate. Okay. Then you save. Okay. So we'll go back again. Don't forget to always save after making any change or changes. Next, your operating hours. So for this one, we did open 24 hours. Okay, this is actually my personal brand, but the first one I showed you is a corporate brand. This one is a personal brand. So you could select always open, or you click on open for selected hours, then you impute it. Or you could also choose appointments only. Then you follow the on-screen instruction, click on next, and then you click on save. Let's go back. And then this is for your description or about your company. So you click here and you write your about in this area. You should always be able to know your business about, or you should have somewhere where you've kept it that is always accessible. Okay, take note of that. So let's go back. Then address, you click on address, you can set an address. Then you can set an address or region. So once you're done, you click on save at the bottom. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so we've already we said we're going to show you a video on how to set up catalog. So for catalog, you click on catalog and then you can add new item. You could also go for add new collection. Okay. Then you save, always save. So let's go back again. Then this is where you can edit links. So for here, I'm using our seller link and LinkedIn profile. So once you're done, you click on save. So I think the maximum allowed link is 2. Okay, so changes could happen at any time. So let's go back again. Next, you could add your Instagram and Facebook. So we're going to add a video link that teaches you how to connect your Facebook page to your WhatsApp business account, and also how to connect your Instagram professional account, either business or creator account, to your WhatsApp business account. So this is also where you can find more details about the link, and particularly to make it visible. So you click on the Instagram icon. Then you can see show your page on WhatsApp. So my Instagram is showing just as we saw for Gright. Okay. You can also remove the WhatsApp by tapping there, and you could also hide it by toggling this bar here. All right, let's go back. So this is for Facebook. So we select Facebook. Okay, so same thing. You could manage in Facebook. You could also decide to not show your page, your Facebook page on your WhatsApp. Okay, or your WhatsApp about section. Okay, you could also click on the 3 dots at the top right to remove WhatsApp. All right, so let's go back. Next, your email. So you could set up your email address by clicking here. All right. Then once you're done making the edit, you save by clicking at the save button at the bottom. Okay. So next is your phone number. Okay. If you want to change phone number, you could click there to change your number. Then you click on next, just follow the on-screen instruction. All right. So we go back. Next is your, what do we call this for now? This is more like what you're doing currently. It could also still be used for your about, more like an update, what's on your mind, something like that. So here is your about. Okay, so you could play around with it. Sometimes you can just say hanging with friends, busy, and you could also set duration. How long do you want this to stay? Okay, so another thing you can use it for, you could just write your slogan there. That's what we did at Gright. So you just input your slogan and you could play around with the tool. So that's just it. So once you're done, you click on save or you click on the good symbol or check back at the bottom right. Okay, so let's go back. So that is basically how to optimize your WhatsApp profile. So make sure you add a logo, a cover, picture. Don't forget, particularly WhatsApp business. Add your business name, add your category, add your operating hours, add your description, add your address where necessary, set up product or service listing or business offering on your catalog. Use your catalog to make announcements to provide relevant information customers would appreciate finding or would want to know. Also add a link. I'm basically doing a summary. Connect your Instagram and Facebook page to your WhatsApp business account. Then also connect and also add your email address, you could also see the phone number and also your about or your status in some cases. Okay. And also learn to sell with your status, be posting status on your WhatsApp. So this is all on how to optimize your WhatsApp business account. Don't forget, visit the description section. We always have more resources to help you grow and succeed in business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive contents like this. Okay, before we go, you can also share your WhatsApp by clicking on the share button at the top right. Okay. So you copy. This is your WhatsApp link. So usually WhatsApp link is wa.me/ you remove the plus and your country code and then your phone number, just as you're seeing here. Okay. So this is just a bonus. So you could copy and send to, your customers, or you could add it to any post. Particularly when you want someone to repost the content for you and you want them to message you on WhatsApp. So this icon, the other icon at the top right. So this is more like having a third-party view of what your profile looks like. Oh, very beautiful, right? Okay, so let's go back. So you could also promote by clicking on the promote button if you want to promote something. Okay, to boost posts. So, but this is something we would not advise you to do this one. You could also promote if you want, but in best instances, but before you start boosting on Meta, we strongly recommend that you subscribe to our compliance setup and or Meta Ads troubleshooting and starter kit services. Okay, so we could help you put your account in place so that you don't run into issues and you're able to avoid anything that would affect your business now or in the nearest future or in the future. So make sure you contact us if you have more questions. So see you guys in the next video and bye for now. Cheers. Feel free to play around with lists, greeting message, away message, and quick replies. All right, just play around and get familiar. See ya.